juicy and red. B is for banana, by your cozy bed. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. D is for donut, a sugary bite. E is for egg, with toast on a plate. F is for fries, oh, they taste great. G is for grapes in a bunch so sweet. H is for honey, a sticky treat. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jam, on warm bread slice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. L is for lemon, so tangy and lean. M is for mango, soft and gold. N is for noodles, yummy when cold. O is for orange, round and neat. P is for pizza, a super treat. Q is for quince, rare but cool. R is for rice, in a bowl or at school. S is for strawberry, red and sweet. T is for tomato, fun to eat. U is for ugly fruit, strange and round. V is for vanilla, the best around. W is for watermelon, juicy and bright. X is for jugua, that's right. Y is for yogurt in a cup so small. Z is for zucchini, green and tall. Let's eat the alphabet, one bite at a time. With colors and flavors, all in a row.